Alright, this is an install video for the M&P 2.0 Compact. I do have another install video, but the newer frames we've been noticing that are a little bit tighter. I just wanted to make a video for that, for if you're having trouble getting it on the way I show in the other video. I do like to take the slide off when I do this so that everything's clear and free. Then so the tighter frames, you'll notice that when you try to push the Magwell on, it doesn't really want to start going on at all, or if it's a little bit harder for you to do that. The compact is different than the full size, as it has this slot in here, and it doesn't flip out in the front at all. It's nice and smooth. So what we actually are doing is we have this locking post here that has some teeth on the front of it, so as it pushes into that slot, it actually bites that front there. And so you don't want to take these on and off a whole lot. After 2 or 3 times of taking it off, it'll actually pull enough material out that it'll get loose trying to put it back on. So what I would do is have it lined up as straight as you can in there, hold down the back with your thumb, and then take a rubber mallet, something that isn't going to mar up the Magwell at all, and then give our logo some good wax. Start out soft, see how the first hit kind of tilted the Magwell one way. Second hit made it go down nice, but it's still probably not completely seated. So that should be pretty much seated. Then take our locking pin, put it in there to the side so that it goes into the slot, push it all the way down. If it doesn't want to go all the way down, you can take the mallet, tap it down a little bit, and then you want to take a wide flathead screwdriver and then push it in to make sure that it's all the way in, and slowly turn it. If it gives too much resistance, then the pin might not be in all the way, and you want to make sure it's in all the way, otherwise you're going to be bending the plastic in there, the polymer of the frame. That felt nice. You want to use a nice wide screwdriver so you don't mar up the slot at all. So then the final test would be our extensions. +2s usually fit a little bit nicer, but the +6s are a little bit tighter up here so that they can take a little bit more abuse. So if you push it in, should be able to click in just like that. Shouldn't have to give it a good hit or anything. It should be able to just click in like that. So if it doesn't click in just like that, then what you want to do is hold the frame out again and give our logo a few more good hits. Give it some good pressure. Things to watch out for, if there's any, like the mold lines in there, if there's anything around the bottom that might be hanging that up, would be a good idea to maybe hit those with a file first before you try any of this. But yeah, this one went on pretty smooth. If you are having more difficulties than that, feel free to give us a call or send us an email. We can walk you through it, but this is the easiest way to install.